Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Welcome to sunny Winter Haven, Florida. I'm Lane Dog Bowers, and I want you to realize that you're greatly blessed, highly favored, and deeply loved. And if you're on this page and you want to earn some extra money, or you want to start your own Christian online home-based business, or you've got a business and you want to promote it online, you want some help with that, but you want to seek Jesus first in everything you do, there's good news. I can definitely help with you. I can definitely help you with that. I'm excited to help you with that. Click the green button below, and I'm going to send you a video to your email that you've got registered with Facebook. Go check your email right away, and I'll talk to you on the other side. Have a great day. Expect to win.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.